Nope, nothing up there. Oh, my stomach is so empty. I'm so hungry. I wish I had a honey. Jackpot! Wow!
Whoa! A Barrot! Half bear, half parrot, and half beehive? You need some help there.
Oh, so sorry about that. I didn't mean to sting you. Although, I am going to have to ask you for that hive back. It is our house, you know.
Don't worry, we're on it. Billy, do you copy?
We've got an Odd-Paw in need of help.
Read you loud and clear, Nova. What's wrong?
We've got a Barrot with a bee sting.
And a beehive on his head. Yikes. All right, Nova, we're on our way. An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This job's for Billy.
Billy the Odd-Paw Vets! Otisco, half bear, half parrot. This Odd-Paw is our friend Barrot. Don't worry, buddy. We're gonna get you out of that beehive in no time. Yeah, whatever you said.
Huh?
This way. Nope. And now, in you go. Into the ambulance.
Please bring it back in one piece. The other bees will be very upset if their house gets damaged.
Don't worry, we'll be back soon. Okay, let's bring in our Odd-Paw patient. I did not sign up for a workout. Right. First things first. We need a little smidge of ointment for that bee sting.
Ooh, I'm on it.
She said a smidge rocks. There. Feeling better?
Oh, much better.
And now the trickier part, getting that beehive off your head. Yep, that's wedged on pretty tight. We're gonna have to be super careful so we don't damage the hive. It's no good. The honey is too sticky.
And too delicious.
Fox, you're drooling everywhere. Like always. Wait, that's it. We need to make him drool. Then the beehive will slide right off. You know, with this honey, we can make some delicious flapjacks.
Flapjacks?
And some honey-glazed carrots.
Honey-glazed carrots?
And a big honeycomb banana split sundae.
Banana split sundae? Oh, and spaghetti with honey.
It's working! It's working! I'm gonna pull off the slobbery beehive now. We did it!
I'm free! Now, where are those honey-glazed carrots?
Here you go, Queen Bee. Good as new. And without a Barrot hanging off it.
Wonderful! The other bees will be so pleased. And this is for you, your very own jar of honey, for the next time you're feeling a little peckish.
Peckish? Thanks, your royal queenness. And sorry for all the trouble. And thank you guys You make me feel all better.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy, the Odd-Paw Vet.
Outside, a little help.
Did you hear that rumbling, Rox?
I only had time for 2 breakfasts. My tummy's still hungry.
Not your tummy. Something is shaking the ground.
Yummy leaves are my favorite!
See? I told you. It's not your tummy.
No, but that is.
Ouchie!
Nova, come in. I think I heard an Odd-Paw in trouble. Can you see anything from the sky?
Something's happening over by the cliff. Meet me there?
We're on our way. An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This jump's for Billy.
Billy the Odd-Paw Vets. That's strange. I'm sure I heard an Odd-Paw in trouble.
I thought I heard something too. But it was probably Rox's tummy again.
He does love his treats.
Can I try a bite?
Of course. It's a floating head.
Oh, Rox, what is...
Hello!
Oh. Hello? Are you okay?
Well, not really. I'm a little tied up.
Quick, Nova, Rox, grab that vine before it snaps! Otoscope. Half kangaroo, half giraffe. This Odd-Paw is a kangaraffe.
Ouch! My foot!
What do we do now, Billy?
Well, that nasty Splinter's gonna have to come out. And we'll need to do some tests to make sure her head is okay. Come on, let's get you to the care clinic so we can get you all fixed up. The scanner will help me take a closer look at Kangaraffe's head. Well, thankfully your head is just fine. But there is one thing left to do. I'll pull out that splinter with some tweezers. Steady.
You got this.
Steady.
Be brave.
3, 2. Got it.
Yay!
Wow! I didn't even feel a thing, Billy!
Good. Now just promise that you'll watch where you're going in the forest from now on. Gotta be careful with that long neck.
You got it! Hup. Oh. Ouchie!
Let's get some ice on that bump. And a plaster.
you should also have one of these.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy, the Odd-Paw Vet. Wow, this is incredible! Look out!
Ooh.
Oh!
I can't look.
Don't worry, Rox. It was just an accident. We just need to grab the... Good boy, Rox. See, what would I do without you? We really should do something about those hiccups. Come with me, Rox.
Nova to Billy in the care clinic. Billy, hello?
Hello?
Hello? Rox, did you read the radio again? Hello? It's not like Billy to be away from her radio. Well, at least there's no trouble to report.
Wait! Was that Odd-Paw flying and asleep?
Wake up! Wake up!
Oh no! He's gonna crash! Nova to Billy! Billy, come in!
Billy? Come in!
I'm here, Nova. Everything okay? A furry, feathery Odd-Paw is flying and sleeping! Flying and sleeping? At the same time?
Well, actually more falling than flying.
Send us your exact location, Nova. We're on our way. An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set!
This jump's for Billy!
Billy the Odd-Paw Vet!
Follow that beauty titty! Oh no! They're back!
Hang in there. Billy will be here any second.
Billy! Any second!
That's getting less fun.
Now, let's see. Half parrot, half bear. This Odd-Paw is a Barrot.
But why was he flying and sleeping? That's so dangerous.
That's true, Rox. But the parrot part of him wants to fly, and the bear part needs to sleep through the winter. Sometimes Odd-Paws just get a little mixed up. I know, buddy. Can you be brave while we make sure nothing else hurts?
Be brave.
Say, ah.
Say.
Let's see. Oh, well done, Barrot. I think it's just your wing. Let's get you back to the care clinic so we can make sure.
This Odd-Paw can really sleep.
He really can. I've never seen anything like it.
Wait. Did we just agree on something?
Don't be silly.
Phew. The wing is just bruised. I'm gonna bandage it and then keep him in the care clinic for a few days to rest.
He really can sleep through any... Hey, that's it! My hiccups are finally gone! Thanks, buddy.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy the Odd-Paw Vet.
All quiet out here, Billy. Coming in for a milk break.
We'll have it ready for you.
Whoopsie.
Hold that milk, Billy. We might have trouble after all. Thank you. Billy, what do you know about talking turtle shells?
An Odd-Paw needs help.
Better get set.
This jumps for Billy.
Billy the Odd-Paw Vet. Come on, Rocks. We got a turtle duck to unstuck. Get it, Rocks? Duck to unstuck. Hey, Rocks?
Oh, who's a cute widow egg?
Nova, you want to help me while Rocks babysits the egg?
I could, but then who's going to babysit for Rocks?
Well, I guess I'm flying solo. Hello, my name's Billy, and I'm here to help. What's your name?
Turtle.
Nice to meet you. Okay, if I have a look inside your shell? Thank you. Otoscope. Sounds like you're really stuck. Are you feeling okay in there?
I'm okay. Just embarrassed and worried about my egg.
No need to be embarrassed. These things happen. And your egg is in excellent paws. Well, 4 of them, actually.
Ooh, the egg is hatching!
False alarm, but we'd better get you back to the clinic and out of your shell before your baby hatches. She's really stuck in there. Right, team? Team? What are you doing in there?
Ah. Huh.
Okay, Durtle, I'm gonna try to pull you out now. Try to relax. Okay. Sorry, I can't hear you right now. But I almost... Oh, yes, I see that now. Don't worry, we'll figure this out. This grease should loosen things up.
Ah.
This is tougher than I expected. Mind if I borrow that feather? Durtle, I'm gonna try something a little odd. Maybe I can tickle you out with this feather. Welcome back!
It's hatching!
Thank you all. If not for you, I'd have missed my babies hatching.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy the Odd-Paw Vet!
We're also available for babysitting.